So I'm out here being a good auntie. Journey. Mama, come here. Okay, she's doing her thing, you know? Journey. Journey. Come say hi. Also, my friend did not tell me that this baby was such a pooper. Homegirl has pooped 4 times on this walk. 4. Yeah. It's so hot right now. And the mosquitoes right now, baby, eating me up. Eating me up. The mosquitoes love this fat ass. I'm shy. No, Happy birthday to you. Come with me to the gym. Look at these gains. Ooh! Don't look. What are 3 things you are thankful for today? My best friends just asked me that question this morning, and I was like, I love that. Thank you for asking me that. But seriously, I'm so thankful I get to wake up and move my body and go to the gym and be active and just take care of myself. It's truly a blessing, and I'm super thankful. And let's get it, baby. Let's get this workout.
Pains from the tenants, got the walls I'm thicker than my accent, I'm thicker than your bifocals. All my denim be double knit, boy, I'm thicker than your bloodline, thicker than a Popeye's biscuit.
Ooh, you see that pump? Stop it. I'm on my way to go pick up my pregnant bestie. I haven't seen her since June, and that's a long time for us. But wait, she was barely showing in June. Now she popped. Baby is out there, out and about. So we're gonna go see that belly for the first time. Oh my goodness. I gained a baby. Baby's eating good tonight, honey. Thank you. Ooh. Yum, bon appetit. Cheers. Are you ready to eat?
That's when it starts going down.
27. Which one are you on? What number?
I'm on 26.
Ooh, ya casi.
So then I'm going to be feeling all those kicks.
Oh, yeah. All of my outfits and accessories are linked in the description. If you know, you know. This bread. Which one's your favorite, Elsie? The white one or the brown one?
The brown one,
Woohoo!
Want another one?
Yes, please.
For good luck.
For good luck, yes. Thank you.
Why is it?
Oh my goodness. There's a baby in here. Is he moving?
Not yet, but going to.
You feel it?
Yeah, like It's gonna get comfortable right now in position. And it's gonna tell me whether it likes it or not.
I feel like it's here because it's like super hard here on this side.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
I always try to think about what position it's in, but yeah, it's over here.
Let's see.
They're exactly the same. Oh my gosh, I love your coat.
Thank you. We just came from the movie.
I hope I'm not offending you, but
No.
does Amy love me? Yes.
Yes.
Hey, okay, that's so true.
Is Audrey having a boy? No.
Should I ding dong ditch tonight?
You kept it inside. Yes. Behind the scenes of a traveling baddie. It is sunset here while I wait for the jet